The development of hypersonic missiles has become one of the top priorities for the Iranian military and scientific institutions. Hypersonic missiles are weapon systems capable of traveling at speeds exceeding 5 times the speed of sound. They have the potential to penetrate missile defense systems and pose new challenges to air defense systems. Iran claims that its hypersonic missiles are part of the country's strategic defensive capabilities and are intended for self-defense. These missiles have a long range and can achieve high speeds, making them difficult to intercept and destroy. This technology requires a high degree of precision and complex engineering solutions. Iran's success in developing hypersonic missiles reflects its scientific and technological progress in military technologies. However, it should be noted that hypersonic missiles raise concerns and spark anxiety among many countries. This technology can shift the balance of power and influence the geopolitical landscape. International communities are concerned about the potential consequences of such weapons and urge Iran and other nations to adhere to international norms and treaties on nuclear disarmament and missile technology non-proliferation. In conclusion, Iran's development of hypersonic missiles represents a significant step in its military program. This has generated considerable interest and sparked extensive debates in the global community regarding security and stability in the region and beyond. Over the past years, Iran has announced the development and testing of various missile systems. Here are a few examples of missiles developed by Iran. The Shahab-3 missile is one of the most well-known and widely discussed missiles developed by Iran. The Shahab-3 is a liquid-fueled ballistic missile, meaning it uses a mixture of chemicals as rocket fuel. The development path of the Shahab-3 missile was challenging and full of trials. But finally, the day came when the first prototype was ready for testing. Early in the morning, at a secret test site, engineers prepared the missile for launch. Hearts raced as the ignition mechanism was activated and the engine roared to life. The Shahab-3 missile slowly but steadily ascended into the sky. Like an arrow, it pierced through the atmosphere, leaving a powerful trail behind. This moment symbolized Iran's power and technological achievement. One of the main features of the Shahab-3 missile is its significant range. This missile can cover distances of up to 2,000 kilometers, enabling it to reach critical targets at considerable distances. This makes it capable of threatening some regions, including parts of Europe. Its potential has raised concerns and sparked debates within the international community. The Shahab-3 missile also has a payload capacity, enabling it to carry various types of warheads, including conventional and nuclear ones. This gives it significant flexibility and adaptability to different scenarios and defense needs. An important aspect of the Shahab-3's development is its ongoing improvement and modernization. Through years of testing and research, Iran continues to enhance this system, increasing its precision, efficiency, and reliability. The Shahab-3 has become a symbol of the strength and technological progress of Iran's defense industry. It serves as a reminder of the country's pursuit of self-reliance in security and its readiness to protect its interests. Such is the story of the Shahab-3 missile, a symbol of Iran's strength and innovation in missile technology, which continues to draw attention and spark debates in the global community. In recent years, Iran has announced upgrades and improvements to the Shahab-3 missile, including enhanced accuracy and navigational capabilities. However, the exact details of these upgrades and their successful implementation are not always made public. The Shahab-3 remains a key element of Iran's military capabilities and draws international attention due to its range and potential implications for security and stability. Other models, such as Kayhan and Saadef, have also been developed and tested. In the secret laboratories of Iran, engineers once worked on creating a new missile system that became known as the Kayhan missiles. These missiles became a point of pride for Iranian science and technology, as well as a source of global interest and unease. The first prototype of the Kayhan missile was tested at a secret site. The powerful engine ignition propelled the missile into the sky, leaving a trail of fire and smoke behind. It was evident that the Kayhan had impressive thrust and speed. One of the key features of the Kayhan missiles was their flexibility and maneuverability. They were capable of altering their flight trajectory, making them elusive and difficult targets for opponents. This characteristic made them formidable adversaries for air defense systems. The Kayhan missiles also had an impressive range. They could cover significant distances, delivering their warheads far from the launch site. It is estimated that the Kayhan missile has a range exceeding that of the Shahab-3. While the Shahab-3's declared range is approximately 1,300 to 2,000 kilometers, the Kayhan, according to unofficial reports, may reach distances of over 2,000 kilometers. This capability has made the Kayhan missiles a cause of concern for many countries worried about their security. Another important aspect of the Kayhan missiles was their payload capacity. They could carry various types of warheads, including conventional and nuclear ones. This allowed Iran to showcase its power and ability to retaliate if necessary. Like many other military systems, the Kayhan missiles have been subject to continuous improvements and upgrades. Iranian engineers continue to work on developing and refining these missiles to enhance their effectiveness and precision. Iran occasionally announces various enhancements to its missile systems, including the Kayhan. However, specific details about these upgrades, such as improvements in accuracy, range, or other parameters, are not always disclosed publicly. The Kayhan missiles continue to attract interest and spark debates worldwide. They serve as a reminder of the ongoing arms race, the complexities of security, and the need for diplomatic efforts to maintain peace and stability. The efforts of scientists and engineers were also focused on developing new weapons that garnered global attention. These were the Saadef missiles, powerful weapon systems designed to ensure Iran's defense and security. The first Saadef missile was created with great enthusiasm and determination. It soared into the sky, leaving a trail of smoke and demonstrating its power. This moment symbolized Iran's scientific and technological progress in missile technology. The Saadef missiles were notable for their maneuverability and precision. They were designed to deliver various types of munitions, including conventional and nuclear warheads. Their high maneuverability allowed them to overcome obstacles and deliver warheads directly to their targets. The Saadef missile family included several modifications with different characteristics. They featured various ranges and capabilities, making them versatile and adaptable to different combat scenarios. However, the Saadef missiles also raised concerns and sparked debates in the international community. Their development and testing prompted questions about regional security and stability. They became the focus of monitoring and analysis by other nations, striving to understand and assess their capabilities and potential. Once, during the Cold War, a family of missiles known as the Scud missiles entered service. These ballistic missiles, developed in the Soviet Union, had unique characteristics and caused concern among many nations. The journey of the first missile, named Scud-A, began with its combat launch. It demonstrated its power, reaching a range of about 300 kilometers. Countries that acquired this missile saw it as a powerful weapon for striking nearby targets. However, in the race for superiority, the Scud-B was developed. This missile had a longer range, reaching about 500 kilometers. Its emergence led to growing unease among nations that felt their security was under threat. The Scud-C and Scud-D represented the next stage in the evolution of these missiles. They surprised the world with their ability to cover distances of 600 to 700 kilometers. Now, these missiles could reach farther, targeting important military and strategic assets. But the story didn't end there. Advancements continued, leading to the development of the Scud-E and Scud-F. These missile modifications promised ranges of up to 1,000 kilometers and beyond. Now, countries possessing these missiles could project their power over wider territories. Throughout the history of Scud missile use, various countries implemented improvements, introduced new technologies, and enhanced the accuracy of these systems. Scud missiles became symbols of military potential and the ability to strike distant targets. That's all for today. Thank you for reading until the end. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time.